Good morning, TL travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. Yes, we are traveling again, and surprise, we are in Luang Prabang in Laos. So I just arrived last night and I met up with my friend Chris, who you might remember from the Bali vlogs and also from some Thailand vlogs as well. So he is here helping me do a little bit of work for the Avani Plus boutique hotel in Luang Prabang. I am so excited to show you guys around. We're only here for a really short time, so we aren't going to be doing a ton of stuff in the Luang Prabang area, but we are going onward to Vang Vieng and we're going to drive the whole way and document all of the beautiful scenery. So have no fear, there's gonna be a ton of great Lao content for you in this little series, and I can't wait to share it with you. So with that said, I'm just enjoying a bit of a relaxing morning, and then I'm going to go take some photos of the hotel, so I will show you guys around when I do that as well. Okay, so don't mind the top bun hair situation. It is hot, like really hot today. I've just finished doing my first round of photos and some video and everything for the hotel, so I hope that you guys enjoyed that little sneak peek at where we're staying. It's absolutely beautiful here, so serene and peaceful given how close it is to the city center. Like, it's right at the night market. Speaking of which, the plan is to grab a bite to eat, and then we're gonna head over and check that out, because if you are coming to Luang Prabang, that's definitely something that you're gonna wanna do. And I just love, I'm not a big shopper, but I love to see sort of what's available and what kind of handicrafts and things they have around, and like if it's the same old, or if there's new and exciting things, because if there's new and exciting things, maybe I'll spend some money. So given that that's something that the city is known for, I'm definitely gonna take you guys along for that. It does start before the sun goes down, so I should be able to take you guys for a nice little tour. So yeah, let's go do all those things, shall we? Okay, so we have the rice whiskey and the banana coffee shake, so I'm gonna mix those babies together. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Hotel now. We had a great day exploring in Luang Prabang. The night market was definitely not as big as the night market in Chiang Mai. That one is giant. I will put some footage from that market in the down bar below so you can check that out as well. But it is definitely large enough to keep you occupied for an evening of shopping. And there are a lot of unique handicrafts and things like that that you don't see everywhere available at this market as well. So if you are in Luang Prabang, definitely check it out. The Avani Hotel is actually right across from the night market, which is super convenient because A, it's right there, and B, if you get lost in Luang Prabang, you can find your way back to the hotel by saying night market, and they'll point you in the right direction. But for now, I'm going to head out and see if I cannot catch a wicked sunset over the river. So if you have not already hit that like button, go ahead and do it. If you've not already hit that subscribe button, definitely do it, because we post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday. And until my next video, still here in Laos, stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you then. Bye.